Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what the best wallet to use with Hamster Kombat is? Almost every day I get asked the same question in the comments. What's the best wallet? Is it OKX, Bybit, Telegram, or Tunkeeper? Especially after Hamster Kombat added OKX and Bybit wallets to their airdrop process. Today I'm here to give you a simple, clear answer to this question. But before we dive in, imagine you're about to receive your earnings from Hamster Kombat. And when it comes time to withdraw, you start asking yourself, which wallet should I use? This is a scenario many users face. That's why we're going to break down the difference between electronic wallets like Tunkeeper and Telegram and trading platforms like OKX and Bybit. First, it's important to understand the difference between wallets and platforms. Wallets like Tunkeeper and Telegram are used to receive and convert digital currencies, like converting Tun to USDT. On the other hand, platforms like OKX and Bybit not only allow you to receive funds, but you can also trade and invest your currencies there. So, if you're a player in Hamster Kombat, which is the best option for you? It comes down to two things: your country and what suits you best. If you're in a restricted country, I'd recommend using Tunkeeper, as it offers more flexibility and security. If you're not in a restricted country, both Telegram and Tunkeeper are great options. As for the platforms, both OKX and Bybit are solid choices, but personally, I prefer Bybit because I've been using it for a while and I'm familiar with it. But if you're comfortable using OKX or even Binance, that's fine too. The important thing is to choose what works for you. And if Binance isn't listed yet, always have a backup platform like OKX or Bybit until your preferred platform is fully supported. Now, the question everyone asks is, how will I receive my money? The idea is that the funds will be transferred to either wallets or platforms, but it's likely that the larger platforms like OKX and Bybit will process the earnings first, and then the wallets like Tunkeeper and Telegram. This is to avoid overloading the network. In conclusion, if you're in a restricted country, Tunkeeper is your best bet. If not, you can choose between Tunkeeper and Telegram. Both are excellent. And for platforms, I recommend Bybit. But OKX or Binance are also good options depending on your preference. That's it for today's explanation on the best wallets for Hamster Kombat. I hope you found it helpful. All the relevant links are in the video description or the pinned comment below. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.